How to use Python 3 and pandas to handle CSV file. Why are we doing that? Is because a lot of times we face trouble working with CSV and a lot of operation. Like it's very hard to do if we use Microsoft Excel. So I should have Python 3 installed through Homebrew in Mac, and I have this pip3 to manage bucket in Python. Then I install Panda. Then next I move to Python interactive terminal and then import the file. The file can be downloaded easily from the internet like this. Let's go on. So I have this one. Let's see. It load the file. Now I will have like introduce some feature, right? df. I take the one that are greater than this value only. Then I have it. Then if I export it to CSV again like this, I have the new file. ABC putting index equal 4 so that we don't print the first column out to the CSV. Now let's see, we have it, right? The one that are greater than that value only. Next, introducing some more features. Let's say group by, right? If I run a for loop, industrial code and group of df group by this column, then what I have is I see which is a name, the name of the group, and another data frame of the subgroup. I will print the shape is the printing the number of column and row that we have in the subgroup. Then we have it. Now let's some more things interesting with pandas and Python is that we use lambda, right? Let's say I wanted to have a new column that do something to the existing value. So I will define a new column ABCD. Then this one I will apply lambda x, where x is the one that contains the value of the whole row, right? Then I will let's make some change into this column, plus this with some more string ABCD, and because I wanted to apply it for the whole column and only this column, then I put the exist equal 1. So I have a new column here, right? All right, I think that's it. This tool is very powerful, and you can see only few line of code, so that, we can already handle a lot of things. You can search more in Python in pandas library like this, pandas group by. Then you will go here and then see more of the example. Yeah, I hope it helpful. Thank you.